pull data from Netsuite using Postman. So we don't want to go to the Netsuite portal. I'm going to just show it from the Postman side. So with demo, yeah, just with kind of like a basic demo. So this is the step guide. You can get it. I'm gonna put it like under the description there on YouTube, so you're gonna have it there. Okay, so we have just set up integration record Netsuite, create a role and user for API access. So this one, if you want you accessing your Netsuite account, you generate the access token. After that, we start to do the API configuration. So we're gonna do this part here, and then the structure of the Netsuite. So we are using Suite Talk. So is you have the your account ID, and then after that here you can have HTTPS // and then yeah, account ID, so the portal ID, and then after that you have this. So this all those things here, Netsuite does give all those information in their documentation to have all the endpoints. Okay, so as you can see there, we have set up authentication Postman. So as in the Postman request, go to authentication, blah blah. So you have all the stuff. So let's go to Postman. So now we're gonna create a request. So add request. Call it customer. Let's call it customers, and then after that we have authorization. So you click that one. You come here. You select O of 1, version 1. Come here, select request header, and then after that you come here, select 256, and then here where you're gonna put your consumer keys, consumer's key, consumer secrets, access token, and token secret, and then here where you're gonna put your portal ID. Later, for instance, your portal ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Netsuite has something called I don't know why they call it. It's a kind of like SB1. So I'm gonna just say, for instance, yeah, SB1. Let me just check here. Yeah, so it's called SB1. So yeah, so we're gonna have that one, the SB1, and then this is gonna always be checked there. So we're gonna just try to kind of like fake a key, just fake kind of like customer key. Let's fake it. There. Fake another one. Yes, faking some key there. Access token. Fake the access token. And then, I mean, yeah, token secret. Fake some token secret. Yeah, so let's say for instance, this is your, yeah, so it's gonna be like that. Yeah, that's it. So now you have like header here, so you must just double check the header. So the header is gonna give you that. As you can see, I did generate some authorization already that side, so you have that already. And then so the only thing now here is gonna do is to get the endpoint. So the endpoint, so we're gonna get our endpoint. Let's go get the endpoint. Copy. Finish to set up. So as you can see, it's just a dummy ID, account ID, so portal ID. So once you finish to set up, you will get a response similar to this. There's just kind of like a dummy response that they just put there. It's gonna look like this. You can see the ID for the account, and then those are the IDs now for the customers, and then after that you have also your pagination there. Okay, so yeah, so you set up you put the limit there, you put your endpoint, and then pop, you click send, and then here we have the Netsuite documentation. where you can get all the response. We're doing the get customer. So yeah, so it's here there is a dictionary where you put like all the endpoints here. So we can also put this link in the descriptions. Right. Thank you so much.